Students, what do we understand in the passage? When Sachin battled for the first time, he felt uncomfortable. Sachin couldn't impress the coach Achrekar. So, Achrekar called Sachin's brother Ajit and said, Sachin is too young to play cricket now, so bring him when he becomes little older. But Ajit talked to coach on behalf of Sachin. He explained to the coach that Sachin was nervous as he played for the first time. And Ajit requested the coach to give Sachin one more chance. Coach also agreed. Yes, the new words in the passage are overawed. Overawed means impressed so much. Overawed means impressed so much. Induction. Induction means the action or process of including someone to a group. Scrutinize. Scrutinize means to examine somebody thoroughly. Okay, students, let us go to the next passage. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. Students, what do we understand in the passage? In this passage, it is talked about Sachin, the practicing hours. It was between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. It took almost 40 minutes to reach the camp where Sachin took practice from his house. When Sachin and his brother were traveling on bus in order to attend the camp, they would be discussing a lot about his performances. Sachin says all his brother's tips to play cricket were really helpful. This is what we understand in the passage. Let us see the new words in the passage. Rigorous. Rigorous means extremely thorough and very careful. Extremely thorough and very careful. Nuances. Nuances means subtle changes. Subtle changes. Manual. Manual means a book that tells you how to operate something. That is manual. Okay, students, let us go to the next passage. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well. Apart from my pockets, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. And for the entire duration of the camp, and I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Yes, students, what do we understand in the passage? Students, what a pity for Sachin Tendulkar. He had only one set of clothes and had to wash it as soon as he came out of the camp because he had to wear it again in the afternoon session. So Sachin had to do the same in the evening also, but packet would not dry out very fast. So Sachin had to play with the wet packets. Coach Achrekar watched Sachin closely and said to Ajit, "Your brother Sachin will be a great cricketer in future." So Achrekar said to Sachin, "If you want to seriously a cricketer, you have to change your school because there is no proper training or facilities for cricket in your school." Meanings in the new words and their meanings in the passage. Pursue. Pursue means to follow or chase. To follow or chase. Let us see the next passage. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at that time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sardashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was a cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. Students, what do we understand in the passage? One day, Coach Achrekar called Sachin's father and talked about Sachin's talent in cricket. He said to Sachin's father, "If you change Sachin's school, it would be better for him." Sachin's father also agreed on and said to Sachin to give his best efforts without worrying about the results. Let us go to the next passage. In my first year at Sardashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 am and end at 4:30 pm. My evening session would start at 5 pm after only a 30-minute break. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav. Students, what do we between 5 pm and 7 pm, I would have 5 more net sessions towards the last minutes. Sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to get every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. At the end of it all, sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. Students, what do we understand in the passages? Unbelievable. It is unbelievable. Sachin played 55 matches in 60 days after he had come to Sardashram Vidya Mandir. Coach Achrekar would give Sachin some money to buy vada pav. Vada pav is a popular Mumbai fast food. During the evening session, that would be a test for Sachin. Sachin should be very careful that the ball should not touch the stems, because on the stems the coach would have placed a one coin. If Sachin does not lose his wicket, then the coin that was placed on the stump would be for Sachin. Whenever Sachin wins a coin, then it would be a big satisfaction for Sachin. In this way, Sachin got some very difficult training under the coach Achrekar. There is one new word in the passages, immense. Immense means extremely large. Immense means extremely large.